relay and also relay. Yeah.
Why, something that you said?
No. Somebody just had a moment.
Okay. Hey folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Monday, September 24. And we welcome our friends on OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com.
The office look untidy this morning,
Yeah,
though.
plenty paper. Hope you had a great weekend, and hope you're ready for a great week. And I guess you're moving out a little bit earlier today because of the, what do you call this thing, I know?
SOE.
No, not only that, but there's still the road works.
Oh, yeah.
Road works going on. So, yeah, there's another state of emergency going on. You know, I was looking through the newspaper this morning, and a couple of things scared me, worried me. The first headline said 35 children killed already in September.
Killed in September or killed up to September?
Killed already in September, it says. At least 35 children have been killed since the start of the month. So it's more than one a day, because September only have, what, 30 days? And we reached 24, 35.
That is very depressing.
So that was the first thing that bothered me, scared me, worried me. The second one, in the same newspaper, says teenagers the most dangerous criminals. And this is attributed to the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang. So the first one, 35.
ACP Bailey told you that the other day.
There was a
gangs.
Was a 13-year-old that's in jail that apparently killed 7 people, and I'm told it's more than 7. So the first one says 35 children killed already in September. Children, 35. And then another headline says teenagers the most dangerous criminals. Well, go on.
We could have started with a story like...
Yeah, I know, but I saw it.
The office paper gone.
Yeah, Jody pick up that for me. I
that
saw it and I just said, no man, no man.
It's got to be something more
We can't afford
uplifting.
to be losing our kids first. And where this...
Jody, no. How short are you know that you would have bent down, stood up, and you still can't
she never have a bed down, because we still wouldn't see her.
Honestly, Jerry, your New Year's resolution is you're going to put on 3 inches.
Yeah,
okay?
so that was a little concerning to me. But
anywho,
you're right, Sim. It's not the way to start the morning. Hope you had a great weekend.
Well, it's a beautiful day.
It is.
Daniel giving us Jermaine Edwards in the morning and thanking God for sunshine and rain and life and...
It is.
Everything.
That just chuck.
Good and bad,
actually. That just bother me. So you're all right? Had a good weekend. I like your dress.
I thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Had a good weekend?
I did.
What you do? Friday?
I did stuff.
Friday?
Friday I went to work.
And what you did after?
And then I went home.
And then what you do?
Rested.
Okay. You want to sleep? You want to go sleep?
Eventually, but sleep is a part of rest. The last time I checked.
Where you do Saturday?
Saturday I had a shoot.
Who? You had a what?
Yeah.
Who you shoot?
Somebody shot me. I mean, you know what I mean.
Who?
A magazine.
Why?
And then...
Why?
Because they asked me to.
So you've done a feature? Which magazine?
I'm not saying anything to you until I'm not saying anything to you, period. Because, no.
So how long the shoot last?
It's about 2 hours.
And then what you do?
I took Aaron to gymnastics.
So what time that?
None of your business.
So how long gymnastics last?
None of your business.
So what time you go to bed?
When I was tired.
And what you do yesterday?
Never do. I start asking some questions like you know.
Oh, you know, me not go answer.
Just,
so you can't stay.
You look, James Bandish this morning though.
No.
006 and a half.
I'm band.
I really reached 7 yet.
I'm rubber band.
Rubber band. Okay, wow.
What's going on this morning?
Okay. So now that we're finished talking about my minutely life, we mention the Monday blues all the time. Now, how much of it is really tied to stress. We're going to help you guys unwind this morning with a bit of meditation.
And we probably won't have much time for meditating when we jump on board of some of National Geographic's top extreme adventures. And it's going to be a whole lot more than climbing trees.
Okay, but we're about to plant a few of those on October 5 for National Tree Planting Day. We're giving you the roster and what to do to have your little stem growing tall and growing strong.
Tall and strong doesn't only apply to the outside when it comes to your kids. Just like how the trees need water, we need to sprinkle good habits for our kids to have good self-esteem. It's only right. Yeah.
All right. And what are the rights of our children? Carrying a fire this morning. Yep, they have rights too. We're going to break them down along with some adoption rights as well.
Yeah, man, she's been firing from the other day. Adopting good financial habits at any age. We've got a friend from JN Foundation with the tips.
And we're tipping you off with a few relationship do's and don'ts. Boy, we talk about relationship do's and don'ts so much on this program, and people in here are still don'ting. I don't really understand. How is a don'ter? Anyway, it's not Girl Power Tuesday, but Neville has always wanted to be in on these kind of discussions. So it's a boy-girl powered Monday.
Whatever, man.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a mankind Monday, because mankind involves us both.
Whatever, man. Time for some hot topics, folks.
Let's do that. Away music come in loud and frighten me a while ago. You're working.
What's the first one?
SOEs.
In sections of the corporate area.
Yes.
The enhanced security measure covers communities in St. Andrews Central, St. Andrews South, St. Andrews Southern, and Western Kingston. And areas very close to us where we are. As a result, a movement in, he says, in troubled communities, those are not my words, such as Denham Town, Trenchtown, and sections of Maxfield Avenue, where there have been flare-ups of criminal activities.
Yes, I was wondering what inspired it, because it just kind of happened, eh?
Yep. And it covers, like... Yeah, it covers parts of Lyndhurst Road also.
Sections of Oakland Road, Waltham Park Road, Delamere Avenue, Delacree Road, Maxfield Avenue, Russell Road, Lyndhurst Road, Studio One Boulevard, extends on to Slipe Road, heading to Orange Street, Harbour Street, Ocean Boulevard, Marcus Garvey Drive, Greenwich Park, Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Lizard Town, and sections of Spanish Town as well. Even though all these SOEs will be happening, the Prime Minister has said it won't affect traffic or anything, any delays as you get to work this morning. So hopefully that will be the case. And it's what, for 2 weeks initially. And it will initially last for 14 days. Yeah.
I noticed a couple of the sports people have come out wondering what might happen. The president of Boys Town, Leon Mitchell, and the coach of Tivoli Gardens Premier League team and Denham Town High School is the same person. And they were suggesting that even yesterday Tivoli played out at Harbour View because their field is being worked on, and he was suggesting that because of the SOE, they never got as many fans as they normally would. Apparently, there must have been curfews and stuff. So, and since they started, 3 illegal firearms have already been seized. And that happened in the first 12 hours in the state of emergency. So as soon as them start, them find 3 guns. Because what they do is them start before them tell you so them start. Obviously, because them tell you so them start, or them going to start, you can make some moves that they don't necessarily want you to make. So.
Correct, so.
Yeah, well, that's good news. What else?
Brexit, still in the news. British opposition leader Jeremy Corbyn said yesterday that he would back a second Brexit referendum if his party votes to pursue the move, putting some pressure on Theresa May, who is planning to go ahead with what they call a divorce deal with the EU, which has apparently hit a massive impasse. Guys, we've been talking about this since 2016. Of course, folks voted in favor of Brexit at a 2016 referendum, but apparently there have been some changes on the political landscape and a lot of fallout since that vote. So Corbyn is saying that if his party gains power, he will convene a second referendum to see if that's really what the people of...
Yeah, I said it to you before we came on, and I thought this was...
They're not quite done.
Yeah, I thought they had decided to leave Europe, and that was the name of that tune. I didn't know that there's still talk that they might not. By the way, someone made a point about the SOE that because of the traffic, it is an area where a lot of people are using to get through.
Roads.
Yeah, which will slow everything.
That's why I was saying the Prime Minister came out specifically to address that yesterday and said that it would not cause delays. But I don't know if it's that there will be extra police in that area or what he plans to do to ease traffic there. So I guess this morning will be the proof in the pudding. But you know, SOEs, you know, initially or essentially you're giving up some of your
rights.
Yeah. So maybe if you have to stay in traffic a little longer to make the country safer.
Yeah.
Just like the people who was reaching late. I know them are going late.
Yep.
Productivity.
Unless they leave really
down.
early. Yep.
Which is still going to be a problem because if you get up
everybody will leave early.
But when you get to work, what do you have left? By 12 o'clock you crash?
You see, your older company was suggesting flexi.
Yes.
Which
Kennedy.
Actually, to be fair, they were suggesting
long
time ago.
Yeah, they were talking about that from I was there, actually.
But it makes sense. If you don't know what we're talking about, then flexi work hours, which means like some of us leave home at 6 o'clock, then some leave 7, then some leave 8. So I would start working at 10 o'clock and I done, say, 5. You start at 8, you done 3. Sim starts at 6 or 7 and done 1 o'clock. So
Don always says there's opportunity in crisis, right?
Yeah.
So if you have a problem like this, then you have to find the right way to make it work. So if you can implement flexi work now so that people don't have to break their neck to get to work and get there late anyway, then that's a good thing for our people involved. Iran's president condemns Gulf state and U.S. after deadly attack.
Yep, they had a parade on Saturday. 25 people were killed and nearly 70 others wounded, they say. At least 8 of the dead served in the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, which is an elite paramilitary unit that answers to the supreme leader of Iran.
And they're saying it's the U.S. that did it.
They said they were suggesting that the U.S. would be a part of it. He summoned diplomats from Britain, Denmark, and the Netherlands, accusing them of having harbored members of the terrorist group that carried out the attack.
Which is interesting because I think there's a UN summit this week. Is it in the U.S.? Not sure where, but...
Not sure.
Anywho. All right, so those are your hot topics.
Well, I have plenty of birthdays. Where's Jody, please? Where's Jody? So, happy birthday to Karine Binham. And it's coming from Julie Forbes. Karine, hope you have a brilliant day today. Happy birthday to Shania Sukram. She's 10 years old today.
Maybe?
Is Shania or Shania? S-H-A-N-I-A.
Probably Shania.
Shania Sukram, 10 years old today. Greetings coming from your mom, Tanisha Porter. They call her Chin, who works here. And your dad and the rest of the family. Here's Shania. I hope I got it right.
Happy birthday to you.
Where is Shania? There you go. I'll hold you up straight there. There you go.
Okay, hold her up straight.
Hope you have a brilliant day today. Many, many happy returns. Another one. This one is happy birthday to Daniel Martin, who goes to Vaz Prep. Someone did say Vaz Crep. His birthday is tomorrow. He'll be 11 years old tomorrow. And Daniel, greetings coming from your mom, from the family, the friends, your Uncle Ricky.
Can she stands now?
Yeah, from Vaz Crep. I have another one over here.
You have 2 more over here.
Vietnam man. And this one says, happy birthday to Tierra Levy. She's also 11, from your sisters Tawana, Takara, Taisha, your mom Lynette. She attends Belmont Park Primary in Portmore. Wow, she's pretty. There she is, 11 years old today. There you go.
Hello, gorgeous. Got it?
Yep. And
all
this
right.
one is from Danae Nugent. Danae, I hope you have an absolutely brilliant and amazing day today. Your greetings comes from the angels of Genesis. They say they love you, especially the third floor.
Who are the
Apparently the Angels of Genesis is a block in Irving Hall at the University
of the West Indies.
So
Yep.
they say they love you,
Nights.
and they wish you have an absolutely brilliant day. And we love you too, and we wish you have an absolutely brilliant day.
Kristen Lee celebrates birthday. When is it? The 8th is gone. Okay. Your mom, Marjorie Palmer, your dad, Father Richard Lee, wishing you belated birthday greetings. Donica Wallace also celebrated last week. Happy birthday to you. Miss Dockery has asked us to send birthday greetings to her wonderful niece, Simone. Dockery. Celebrates her birthday. The 22nd is when? I don't know which day is it.
The day before yesterday.
It was the, so this is belated as it was on Saturday, coming from Miss Dockery and the rest of the family. Good morning to, okay.
Make I read it, man. Where you going, I can read it. Good morning, Simone. I'm your biggest fan on Morning Time, but never keep on troubling you. And if him don't stop, I will ticket him. So say the word, okay? It says, what's that? Police Francis? Detective Constable Francis. My new wife, and you don't know yet.
Thank you, sir.
Apparently it's from the Crossroad Police Station. So you want to ticket me, officer, because...
He's a good man, officer.
Officer, you know I'm coming to look for you.
He's a good man.
And I'm bringing the note to tell people, oh, if I ever get a ticket now, whether it's you give me or not, they all say, see it?
Well, the amount of ticket you get out of.
Never keep on troubling if him don't stop. I will ticket him, so say the word.
You know, there's still good officers out there. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it. Also want to say good morning to DJ Kevin, who works over at Fame, who buttoned my dress for me this morning. Thanks, Kev.
What? Hold on, man. Wait, man. Don't go down here.
We'll be right back.
You say everyone, yeah? Wait, no, man. Why am I about you?
It's a long story.
No, it's not. Go too long.
We're
not going anywhere. I want to hear the story.
Danielle, fork, knife, spoon, do something.
Well, it's not a problem, but Jody fixed my shirt this morning.
That's okay.
Not a problem. So you're going like how you want.
I'm sure Kevin is a better buttoner than Jody is a pinner.
Of those